as you can hear and see, we've kicked off here at Home for the Holidays, a winter wonderland of pets. The dogs are really excited right now, but I just wanted to show you guys these sweet little puppies we have for adoption. But as you can see, there are many, many, many animals here available for adoption. We started at 9 this morning, we'll be here till 7 this evening, and 9 to 7 on Saturday and Sunday as well. We're at the PetSmart at Northwest 63rd and May Avenue. You can't miss it. It's a big white tent in the PetSmart parking lot. But we've got heaters, we've got a fully enclosed tent. Everybody's looking for a home here. And we don't want anybody to spend the holidays in a cold concrete cage. So please come here and meet your newest furry family member. Lots of families here already looking for new pets for the holidays and forever. 9 adoption agencies represented here with more than 400 pets for adoption. So pretty much no matter what you're looking for, you will find it here. We've even got cats. Cats outside are in the quieter trailers because they don't like quite as much chaos as the doggies do. Lots and lots of wonderful pets for adoption and still more coming in. So come and join us.